Hi, welcome to In the Kitchen with Rosa. So we're here preparing Christmas Eve dinner. Got me some wine with my palm tree cut glass. So I already marinated these ribs. They look very yummy. They've been marinated for a couple of hours in the refrigerator. Now they're getting ready to go in the Instant Pot. So I put 1.5 cups of water inside the Instant Pot, and I put the rack. So the ribs basically are not going to be sitting in the pot. They're sitting on top of that rack. And I put that little piece extra rib in there. So now I'm going to put it on for like 22 minutes on high pressure. So while this is cooking, I'm going to be making my rice. We also going to have pasteles. This is a Puerto Rican dish. I bought this from a friend of mine. She makes very, very good pasteles. This is one thing I don't know how to make yet. And we're going to be having some rice and some nice salad. And so once these ribs are done, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how they look. And then we're going to stick them in the oven. And then we're going to make a barbecue sauce to put it on. And it's going to be delicious. Okay, see you soon. Cheddar, and then I got the Monaco. Okay, so now I'm preparing a nice garden salad. All kinds of different lettuces. I put some shredded carrots in it, some celery sticks. We're gonna use some little, my favorite thing, cherry tomatoes. It's gonna be a yummy salad. Salad is the best. Oh, hold up. More important. Wash. Even though they say they can't see any harm in it. Doesn't that look pretty? Very colorful salad. Add some tomatoes. I don't know if I should add celery. You want celery on it? No, no celery. Are we supposed to do this? Celery before. But celery. Now this is the rice. Now this is called arroz con guandules. Ginger peas and rice. So now I'm gonna cover it for at least 25 minutes. Do not disturb. Says pastelas are boiling. Ribs are cooking. Time to make some kind of sauce for my ribs. Like some type of barbecue sauce, but I make my own. I'm gonna invent something here. See if my family likes it. So the salad is done, but I think I'm gonna add these little things that I bought today. Make it a little crunchy. My husband likes it when it has a little like croutons or something. So we're gonna add these. Some Italian toasting. Some bigger croutons. See, I think of these things while I'm in the supermarket. Think of salads, because I'm a big salad eater. I love salad. Salad and soup, I could live on. Those are my favorite kind of soup. Besides bacon. So, like, they're big. So maybe we just cut them up like little, right? Like little croutons. Very yummy. Think that's a good idea? Yeah, I think so too. Let me taste it. Mmm. Nice. Okay. Salad is done. Not too much. And I'll come back later and show you the finishing result of the ribs. Okay. So, the ribs just beeped. They look yummy. Take the temperature. I'm going to put them in the oven in a minute to just finish making them brown now. Because I'm going to put sauce and glaze them. In a few minutes we'll be eating. This is done. So we can turn this off. This is the first time I'm using this many pot, but that's because it's Christmas Eve. Usually I cook everything in there. Let's check on this rice. Ah, delish. Looks great. Right? Yum, yum. Look at this. Nice, beautiful, fluffy rice. I'm going to put it a little bit higher so my husband could get a little something he calls pegado. So let me just cover it. Very good. Okay, so the rest will be cooked in the oven. Let me get this pan out of here so I could transfer. This is the tricky part here. Transferring this into this.
Yo, what kind of good now?
Okay. Make sure that this doesn't, let me get two. Where's my other one? Oh, this. Well, I have to get a fork. This. Okay. Oh, this was very easy. Okay. Look at those beautiful ribs. Now, just get a little taste. Make sure that they. What? The juice? Yeah. Oh, they fall right off the bone too. Oh, delicious. Perfect. Well, nice soft. Now for some magic. I don't overdo it with the sauce because my husband he likes to taste the meat. Not just a whole bunch of sauce. He likes very light barbecue sauce. So the oven, I'll put it on 450. And then we're going to put them in there for a few, like 5 minutes. Until they get nice and golden brown. And then they'll be ready for dinner. Then dinner will be served. Salad's already made. Even my dog is over there whining. So he loves my food. I like it. My husband approves. You approve, buddy? No? Saying the dog doesn't approve? I'm sure he got nice when he came out. Now, we'll go in there and we'll be eating some nice ribs. Let's turn off the Instant Pot. Get this over here. And then we're going to come back once I have everything set up in the table and we could have our Christmas Eve dinner. My son Jesse, my husband, and I. And I'll have it all plated up so you can see what it looks like. Thank you. See you later. Okay, ribs are done. I already plated the rice and the pastel. So I had to take the beautiful ribs out the oven.
That looks amazing.
Awesome, right?
Delicious. Do I get my teeth on those ribs?
This is my son's favorite food. He's what we call, I love me some ribs.
There you go.
Nice slab of ribs.
That's what I call a meal.
That's our
A
Christmas
meal
Eve.
for a man and a woman.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The ribs came out good for our first time making ribs in the Instant Pot. Another winner. You got perfect, nice, non-greasy, beautiful ribs. Thank you. Merry Christmas.